In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower ping and fix lag in Steam games. If you've ever noticed your game stuttering or your shots landing a split second late, high ping or network congestion might be the culprit. Today, we'll adjust one simple Steam setting that can reduce background network chatter and help your games feel smoother, especially on shared or limited connections. Start by opening Steam and looking to the very top left corner of the window. Click the Steam menu there. This opens the main app menu where you can change your preferences and behavior. Next, choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps all of its options related to your account, the client, and in-game behavior. Don't worry, everything we're changing is safe, reversible, and applies only to how Steam talks to game servers in the background. Inside Settings, click In-Game. This section controls what happens while you're playing, including overlays, FPS counters, and some network-related behavior for server browsing. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Server Browser Pings per minute. Think of this as how frequently Steam sends quick, "Are you there?" messages to servers when it's compiling server lists. A high number means Steam is pinging lots of servers very frequently, which can create extra traffic on your network. On slower Wi-Fi, shared internet, or when bandwidth is tight, the background activity can contribute to lag spikes in your games. Open the drop-down next to Server Browser Pings Minute and select a lower value. The idea is to reduce how aggressively Steam scans servers, freeing up bandwidth for your actual game. If your current number is high, try stepping it down to a moderate level first. Going too low can make server lists take longer to populate or refresh, so aim for a balanced middle ground. You can always adjust again later if you want a snappier server browser or even smoother gameplay during peak hours. Changes apply right away, and you can come back here anytime to fine-tune. A quick note on what to expect. Lowering this value won't magically fix every networking issue, but it can minimize unnecessary background requests from Steam. That often translates into fewer spikes, more consistent latency, and a steadier feel during matches. If you rely heavily on the server browser, you may notice it takes a bit longer to fill with results. That's normal and part of the trade-off. If your connection is especially busy, pairing this tweak with good habits like avoiding large downloads while you play or keeping background apps light can further improve stability, and that's it. With a single change, you've optimized Steam's behavior to help lower ping and cut down on lag.